Hello, friends. This is Dr. Vivek Nanoti. I welcome you all into the second part of my video, very important video on effective time management, the success mantra. It is very important. In my part 1, we have already seen, the importance of mind control, control on your thought, understand the direction of your thoughts. Please stay away from postponement or procrastination. Set away yourself from distractions and various formulas we have seen in part 1. My dear friends, in this part 2 of my video I am sharing very important tips that how to manage time and how to utilize the time to the fullest for making your life a grand success. The most important point when I thought कि सबसे ज़्यादा मेरा समय कहाँ बर्बाद हो रहा है, हम सब का. This is the era of yes. So my first slide says it is era of phone, tablets, iPad, social media. But friend, this is something which is really killing our time. So we use these. These are very useful gadgets. These are very useful devices. But they are for limited purpose. They are for specific positive purpose. Just they cannot eat my time of my performance. So phones, tablets and iPads, I have listed few things which I really want you to do, friends, and you can see that you can save a lot of time. Keep track on your watch on screen time. How much time should I spend on every app? WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn. How much time? We never count that time. So start watching योर स्क्रीन टाइम. कितने घंटे मैंने फ़ोन के साथ गुजारे, कितना घंटा मेरा स्क्रीन टाइम हुआ है. इट इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. आइडेंटिफाई विच ऐप इज़ वेस्टिंग योर मोर टाइम. जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई and just remove that app if you can. If it is not that useful, it is very, because which is the most engaging app, it is eating your time. Unfollow everyone on social media except the people you really care, जो आपके बारे में अच्छा सोचते, जो आपको इंस्पायरिंग है, जो आपको मोटिवेट करते. बस ऐसे लोगों को फॉलो करिए. और जो हज़ारों फालतू के लोगों को हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं, जस्ट अनफॉलो देम ऑन सोशल मीडिया. आई डिड दिस 1 year ago एंड इट हैज़ सेव्ड मी माई हंड्रेड्स ऑफ आवर्स. डेली 2-4 घंटे जो खराब होते थे वो आज अच्छे होने लग गए. टर्न ऑफ योर नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन योर टैबलेट एंड फोन्स. टर्न ऑफ योर नोटिफिकेशन. यू डोंट नीड दोज नोटिफिकेशन. व्हेनेवर यू हैव टाइम, you will actually check mobile and go through the notification. Mute your group chats. Without taking permission, people are adding you and you are into 100 groups. Even I have hundreds of groups. You have to mute your group chats completely. They should not disturb you. Before you start study session, put your telephone into another room. फिर घड़ी कैसे देखना? घड़ी देख लेंगे. Put a clock on your study table. A simple clock, a table piece, an alarm clock. That is sufficient. And don't use phone for using just seeing the time. So have a wonderful clock on your table. Now whenever you plan something, you have to rigorously act upon it. You have to work hard. You have to commit yourself. अगर ये सब करना है तो one has to be very foremost and first important thing I would like to tell you is you should be physically fit. Physical fitness is first thing, and a calm mind. If you are into disturbed mindset and if you are not fit, you can plan that you have to study for 6 hours. And if you get a back pain, if you have a neck pain, if your body is not supporting to study and sit on a chair for 6 hours, my dear students, friends, you cannot do anything. And if your mind keeps wandering, दिमाग एक ठिकाने पे आ ही नहीं रहा, माइंड पे कंट्रोल नहीं, विचारों पे कंट्रोल नहीं चलेगा. सो फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड काम योर माइंड. इट इज मोस्ट. एक्सरसाइज डेली. स्पेंड सम टाइम आउटडोर्स. थोड़ा सा ग्रीनरी में जाइए, गार्डन में जाइए. इट फ्रेशन अप यू फ्रॉम इनसाइड. माइंड, बॉडी, सोल, एवरीथिंग शुड बी इन लाइन, इन ट्यून एंड फ्रेश. फॉलो योर बॉडीज नेचुरल एनर्जी लेवल्स. येस, कोई बहुत मॉर्निंग 3 बजे उठ के पढ़ाई करता, आपको नहीं जमता, आपका नहीं जमेगा. So body's natural energy highs and lows are very important. Take break at right time. Whenever you feel like को आधे घंटे के ऊपर एक 10 मिनट का ब्रेक चाहिए, you can take that break. And for mind control, do deep breathing exercise. दिन में 2-3 बार कर लीजिए, या एक अच्छा guided meditation every morning कर लीजिए. You will feel much better. Commit yourself to the cause, to the time frame you have decided for. Hard work and willpower are the 2 most important things to have time management. डिसाइड, कमिट एंड सक्सीड. सी, मेरे साथ बोलिए आप लोग, ये नीचे जो ब्लू कलर में जो लिखा है ना, आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट. वॉट यू से? आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट. आई विल डू. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. आई विल डू. आई एम डिफरेंट. somebody must have not done. यार उसको नहीं जमा, मेरे को क्या जमेगा? अरे आपको जमेगा, आप उसके समान नहीं, आप अलग हो. यू आर डिफरेंट एंड यू आर स्पेशल. आप खास हो, आप स्पेशल हो एंड यू आर ब्लेस्ड. तो आपको ये पांचों सेंटेंस मेरे साथ एक बार जोरदार बोलने हैं. आई वॉन्ट टू डू, आई विल डू, आई एम डिफरेंट, आई एम स्पेशल एंड आई एम ब्लेस्ड. मैं ब्लेस्ड हूँ स्पेशली. मैं जो चाहूँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. मेरी कमिटमेंट उतनी है. डू इट नाउ. जो कल आप डरने वाले हो वो कल वाला आज भी आज ही है. रिमेंबर, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस बाय डेल कार्नेगी. रिमेंबर, टुडे इज द टुमारो you worried about yesterday. Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Either hard copy, soft copy. हार्ड कॉपी की कोई डायरीज बनाइए, कोई प्लानर बनाइए, मोबाइल हैंडसेट में कुछ अपना टाइमर सेट करिए, गूगल कैलेंडर यूज़ करिए. यूज़ वॉट एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल विथ, बट यू शुड राइट एंड गिव रिमाइंडर्स ऑन एवरी डे, टाइम एंड नंबर ऑफ आवर्स. It is most important that reminders should be there. Most important is you have to plan your complete day. सबसे पहले तो प्लान अच्छी से करना है. एक एक मिनट, एक एक घंटे, आधे आधे घंटे का प्लानिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड देन एग्जीक्यूशन इज स्टिक टू योर प्लान. यू हैव टू स्टिक टू योर प्लान. कम वॉट में. कम वॉट में मतलब discipline of time. You should have time discipline. Time management requires self discipline, self mastery and self control more than anything. You know, self control is something very important. I have decided to do something, then come what may. Whatever I have decided, whatever has come into my path, I will not share my important time for the activity which I have not planned. I will commit to myself. You know, create a life schedule. You can create a long-term goals and short-term goals. Time management and goal setting are very important tasks and they are hand in hand. Create a life schedule. Long-term goal बनाइए, मेरे को आज से 10 साल बाद क्या करना है, 20 साल. And be flexible and realistic. If you find after 1 year these goal settings are to be reframed, yes you can. Be flexible and realistic. Allow time for planning. यूज़ डेली शेड्यूल टेम्पलेट. अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू आर करेंटली स्पेंडिंग योर टाइम. पहले हमने बोला, पहले पार्ट 1 में हमने बोला था कि हमारा टाइम वेस्ट कैसा होता है और टाइम यूटिलाइज कैसा होता है, इसका हमारे को पूरा स्टडी होना चाहिए. ब्रेक लार्जर प्रोजेक्ट्स इनटू स्मॉल एंड एक्शनेबल टास्क्स. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. अब ये सब कुछ करना है यार, कहाँ मिलेगा ये सब? ज़माना सेल्फ लर्निंग का है. दिस इज एन ईरा ऑफ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग एंड सेल्फ लाइफ लर्निंग. Start what suits you, you know it better. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing you can do is keep your mind young. Mark Twain का quote है. आपको अगर जवान रहना है, if you want to keep yourself young, keep learning. Be into student mode always. If you are 60 years old or 80 years old, doesn't matter. Be into learning mode, and that too self-learning. There are hundreds of websites, everything is available, so be into self-learning mode. It is very, very important. Time is money, people say. Let's calculate. If you have a salary of 60,000, per day salary is then how much? 2,000. So if you work for 8 days in a day, per hour salary कितना हो गया? 250 रुपये. So how many hours you have wasted is for how many money you have wasted. It's a simple calculation. It's an example. It's not a real thing. But yes, per hour you can waste. You are wasting your time, you are wasting your career, you are lagging behind than others. It is very important and big task. First, prioritize your thing into A, B, C. Tag your to-do list. Every day you will have a to-do list. So what are the biggest tasks, important tasks and difficult tasks? They are to be done first. That is what we understand by prioritizing. Unimportant small works can be done otherwise also end of the day. वो अपने आप हो जाएंगे. लेकिन छोटे छोटे काम अगर हमने करने लग गए तो बड़े काम हम नहीं कर ले पाएंगे. सेट डेडलाइंस. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉर्मली इफ यू कैन रन 1 किलोमीटर इन 8 minutes एंड इफ अ डेंजरस डॉग, एक खूंखार कुत्ता आपके पीछे छोड़ दूँ तो वही 1 किलोमीटर यू कैन फिनिश इन मच लेसर टाइम, मे बी इन 6 minutes. वाई? बिकॉज द डॉग इज अ डेडलाइन. If you don't have deadlines, create your own deadlines and time frames for everything you are planning, because that is most important. Deadlines are very, very important. प्राइम टाइम. हर एक की ज़िंदगी में एक प्राइम टाइम होता है. मुझे मॉर्निंग उठ के जल्दी उठ के सुबह 4 बजे उठ के अगर मैं पढ़ूँ तो मुझको ध्यान अच्छा रहता है. Everyone has got their own prime time. Somebody can have early morning, somebody have got evening with coffee, and somebody can have even late nights after dinner. Whatever suits you. Whenever your energy levels are very high, when you are into absolute highest performance mode, finish your most difficult and big and important work in this time. जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट है, मैथमेटिक्स मेरे को जमता नहीं, अगर सुबह के समय मेरा दिमाग फ्रेश होता है तो सुबह मैं पहले मैथ्स पढ़ लूँगा. सेम इज़ फॉर एनी ऑफिस टास्क एज वेल. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फ्रेंड्स, लॉकडाउन, we are facing lockdown. So I have just created a very beautiful frame, very important, very implementable, very easy time frame you can all note down. And tentative distribution of 24 hours. 8 hours you can have a sound sleep for a healthy mind, healthy body. 4 hours you can enjoy family time, lunch, dinner, watching TV, whatever. Now you have, so 8 plus 4, 12 are gone. You have hand in hand 12 hours. 1 hour exercise, friends, physical fitness. 6 hours academics, 6 hours on your work, 6 hours on your core domain knowledge you have to spend. एंड इससे बोर्डम निकालने के लिए, ये जो थकान हो जाएंगी माइंड को, इसको फिर 2 hours फॉर योर हॉबी, प्लस सोशलाइजेशन, प्लस नेटवर्किंग विथ अदर फ्रेंड्स, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, स्नैपचैट. जरा रिलैक्स हो जाइए. कितना घंटा? 2 घंटा. एंड 2 hours फॉर एनहांसिंग योर एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी कोशेंट. आपका एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी कोशेंट हमेशा बढ़ता रहना चाहिए. आप अगर स्टूडेंट हैं तब भी, आप अगर जॉब कर रहे हैं तब भी, यू शुड बी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन ऑफ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड वेन एवर देर इज ओनली वन चांस ऑफ प्रमोशन, यू शुड गेट दैट प्रमोशन. इट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड 1 hour left is for next day's planning. If you do this into this lockdown time, it is very, very important. Divide the entire available time into 4 important activities. What are they? Self-learning, enhancing and nurturing your hobbies, health, and employability enhancement. Self-learning is very important. Start learning. Your core domain academics आपका क्या है? आपका main topic क्या है? If you are into management, if you are into coding, if you are into web development, if you are into software development, core पे आपका ध्यान दीजिए और उस पर self learning में अपना समय बिताइए. There are various self learning platforms are available. Udemy, Coursera, NPTEL, Swayam, edX. MOOCs platforms are wonderful. YouTube tutorials, videos are available. Use those platforms, friends, and self-learn. Update yourself. Enhancing and nurturing your hobbies is second thing. Take up some hobby such as dance, music, painting, cooking, photography, sketching, any performing art, indoor sports like chess. कुछ ऐसा करिए जिससे आपका मन प्रसन्न हो जाए. और ये ईरा ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स का है. आपका बोर्डम भी चले जाएगा. इफ यू कैन डेवलप इन दीज एक्सपर्टीज, आई एम टेलिंग यू, you can very well serve as these hobbies can serve as a part-time profession to you, to generate some additional earnings during learning. So earn and learn can also happen if you concentrate and give a specific time, 2 hours time every day for exclusively for your hobbies. Then it can happen. Health is wealth. Yes, we have already talked about this. Keep yourself so fit that you should be fit not only physically but mentally and spiritually. And employability enhancement is something which is so important, my dear friends. Every time you should be the most important employee. Allot some exclusive time for grooming your personality, for add-ons. Everybody, if you are an electronics engineer and if you know software better, that is your add-on. If you are an chartered accountant but you know software better, that is an add-on. If you are a painter and you know some Photoshop and other softwares, that is an add-on. If you are a good orator, that is an additional skill. Friends, you have to allot time exclusively for grooming your personality. Every day one must grow. कल जो मैं था उससे मेरा आज, am I a better version of myself? Because my family, my society, my friends, my employer, my college teacher, principal expect me to be a better version of myself every day. So make yourself more employable, more enterprising, more acceptable to the industry or their future employers. You know, to inculcate these important personality traits and skills such as communication skill, public speaking, time management. ये आप मेरा सेशन सुन रहे हो, इसको तरीके से सुन लीजिए. Involve yourself into this session and start planning on the time management. My communication skill videos are already available. I'll be shortly posting my stress management, goal setting video is already available. Do like, share and subscribe my videos for all such important videos, and I'm sure that your employability component will be definitely enhanced. Even if there is a company who want to hire one person, you should be that person whom they will be enhancing, they'll be selecting. And once you are employed, that doesn't end, the story doesn't end there. Even you are employer, even if you are manager, even if you are CEO of any company, friends, you need an upgradation. Updation is the mantra. and adding more and more skills, qualities, competencies is the need of an hour. You cannot skip. मैं तो PhD कर लिया, मैंने ये कर लिया. I did my doctorate, friends, I tell you, 25 years back. I cannot say that I'm master. No, I have to learn daily. I have to update daily. So friends, I have shared this 4-point agenda of lockdown time management. Almost similarly, even after lockdown, you can use the same formula with slight changes of your college time or your office time. Please make use of time very wisely, and I'm sure that you will have a very wonderful, amazing, successful, rewarding, worth enjoying, and yes, most important, stress free, prosperous career. Once you manage the time, you're always stress free. Once you have a wonderful, perfectly planned deadlines, you are stress free. So, friends, I once again wish you all a very wonderful and amazing career. Thank you so much, viewers. You can post your comments into my video on YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe my video channel, Vivek Nanoti, for more such videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you into some another interesting video very soon.